calves. Allow me, boy.
Nothing me laundry's in the trunk.
There's room for you to sit up front. Let's go make some cookies, boys. Hooray!
You done your homework yet? Oh wait, you're dyslexic. Done your yet homework, Cav? You, I'm Answer. Hey, talking, me too.
Yeah, did you drink my Mountain Dew? Did you drink my Mountain Dew? Let me smell your breath. Let me smell your breath. Oh, you Mountain Dew drinking bitch.
Okay, so my friend sent me this video to react to. Not quite sure what's going on here. Alright, we're getting some soap. I don't know what's happening. Is it all outside of the— ah! Oh, it's feet!
If me and my gang pull up, boy, you better get to running. We on your ass. Ain't nobody playing. If you fucking with the bad, you getting decapitated.
You're my honey bun, sugar plum, pumpkin. You're
got some
my
chopsticks now,
sweetie
okay.
pie. You're my cupcake.
Squeezing it.
Snickums, spickums, you're
Oh my god, it's corn.
Fuck it. Alright, let's go. Watch it go. You're stupid, fool.
Hey bro, you want ice cream?
Alright, it's meme time. Him, call me daddy. Me and Peppa Pig's voice, daddy. When I first saw this, I laughed about this for a solid 2 hours. So she's gay now? Yeah, she turned in all her paperwork last week and her acceptance letter came in this morning. It was all pretty sudden. Every day I wake up and say, I'm tired of this grandpa, and every day the universe says, that's too damn bad. Why are you laughing? Nothing. My brain. Well, in that case, I just think it's funny when a dog's eyes go like, what? My dog does that all the time. Peppa Pinoche. Like a dungeon dragon. Let's start a business, bro. Everyone hates being sung happy birthday, and everyone hates singing happy birthday. So what the heck are we doing here? I'm just confused.
Easily rather be with a man with an unwashed ass than a man who calls coffee a cup of joe.
You have 5 new messages from mom. Did you get the porridge cream? Homo cream. Hemorrhoid cream. Don't laugh at me. Never mind, I hope you die.
It's the best 5 seconds in cinematic history.
Randall, there is a cow outside.
There's a cow farm. You're gonna find cows outside.
No,
It smells sour like funky.
Really? Oh my god, what is it?
It's pee.
What?
It's pee.
I'm not gonna kill your car. I'll go cut Jimmy's mouth. You should have paid my rent. Go give me a croissant.
If you keep running like that, you're gonna slip and fall and break your penis off. I did my duty as a grandmother.
hearing something in my shower. I think I heard somebody break in.
Issues. Well, of course I have issues. That's my freaking father.
Jimmy, you want some crawfish, Jimmy? Jimmy! Jimmy! Hey, you want some crawfish?
Un ranchero.
Mira,
¡Ay, paso fino, viejo!
He ruined my dream journal! I did not! Mr. Electric, send him to the principal's office and have him expelled.
Hey, Zan.
You should have yes.
Won't you shake a pulse in his hand? Yeah.
So tell me, how's it feel? Tell me, how's it feel? Sitting up there, feeling so high, but too far away to hold me.
Hello? Are you crying? What's wrong? Shut up. You're lying.
That's Faith.
And what?
Put it on speaker.
They called the police for real? Oh, hell no. Girl, FaceTime me. FaceTime me. Oh my gosh. Get your nosy ass. You're so damn nosy. What? Ain't nobody on the phone.
Yes, it is.
Tyler, the creator, violating a reporter.
What about your lyrics?
What about them?
What are you saying in your lyrics?
Nothing. Shit to piss old white people off like you.
Is that right?
Gay man, cause you know you gay and stuff.
Okay, thank you.
He gotta go gay balloon cause it got all the colors cause it's gay.
Okay.
And I got Skittles cause it got a rainbow on it.
Okay.
And I got your cookie cake. It said, be who you are for your pride.
Thanks. This is my Pride Month. Why did you do this? Why are you doing this?
What? Cause you're gay.
Breaking news, if you're receiving this right now, it is because you have never once admitted to loved ones what your actual kink is, because you're about 89% sure it's worse than anything they could ever imagine. Close friends of yours have stated that you usually respond with the standard "I like to be dominated" or hair pulling, but apparently your search history has another story to tell, and it's not one that we can discuss on live television. Locals are hoping that this is something your therapist has at least been made aware of, you absolute freak. More on this later. I'm Stanzi Potenza. This is Call Out News.
My boy Joshua, why are you so excited?
We're gonna go watch Thor.
We about to watch, bro.
Sorry, I can't.
You dropping all the popcorn. We are about to go watch Thor.
Dude.
Found out this. If you pour Coke over rice,
Stop messing with the rice!
A message from the Government of Canada.
You wanna go for a walk? Hey, do you wanna go for a walk? You wanna go for a smoke? Let's go for a smoke, come on.